My pregnancy up till week 34 was pretty uneventful. It was a little difficult carrying twins, being in my 40s, but overall pretty healthy. At week 34, I went in for my regularly scheduled ultrasound, and while everything looked fine with Maggie, it showed that Liam had not put on any weight in the previous 4 weeks.
Intrauterine growth restriction is what IUGR stands for. It happens when the baby is smaller than predicted. And so the baby is below the 10th percentile for that gestation. And it can be because either the baby is constitutionally small or that he or she is not getting enough nutrition through the placenta.
When we arrived at the birthplace, we were hooked up to monitors and it showed that Liam's heart rate was continuing to drop. So we were told we were having the babies right then and there. It was definitely not ideal and it was scary. They were safely delivered, which was amazing. But they were so teeny tiny and frail.
Liam did not need significant higher amount of respiratory support than a regular baby who's slightly premature would need. But Maggie, on the other hand, had increasing oxygen requirements. She was working at her breathing and needed some help.
The doctors said they were going to use a new machine called a CPAP on her, and if that did not work, that she was going to have to get transferred into Boston. Thankfully, it was successful. So we found out that she could stay in Salem with her brother and we could all stay together. Liam was in for 4 weeks, just under. Maggie was in for just under 3. We have a picture that we took when they were just a couple days old that I framed, and we brought it from room to room until they were both home because it hurt, not having them here. It was so not what I envisioned or what we expected. And it was just very challenging, very difficult. That staff in the special care nursery is just beyond amazing. They're excellent at what they do. They excel at their jobs. They made it possible for us to get through this situation. The doctors and the nurses, we had full confidence in every decision we made to care for both children. They made everything really clear and easy to understand. They were incredibly supportive. Everybody, not even just in the special care nursery, but everybody that we had contact with was just amazing. They're doing very well. They're healthy, and they're energetic, and they're curious, and they're just the best adventure.